this is where you land once you've logged into your WordPress account. We're going to first add a product to the WooCommerce shopping cart. We go to products, we hover there and choose add product. Now we add, first of all, the title, and there are two description sections. I'm going to just paste the same text in both. But note here, this is the short description, and this will appear to the side of the image when somebody looks at the product in the shopping cart. In here you have room to put an image, even a slider, anything you like, and a lot more information, and you'll see why shortly. The next thing we have to do is set the price, and let's say we're going to have it on sale, and we must add a product image. And don't worry about these at this point, but we definitely need a single product image. Now normally you would go, because it's not in your website yet, you go to upload files and select files, and that's where we would select on that and click open. But we already have it because I've already tested this out. And now we simply single click, one click on the photo, a tick appears, and we set the product image. And once we've done that, we hit publish, and we can view our product. As you can see, it's marked to be on sale, the pricing's clear, adding to the cart, everything's ready. And you see what I mean about the short description? There isn't a lot of room. You could add another paragraph or two, but in the long description you can see there's way heaps more room for any sort of content you wish. And now we're going back to the products because we're going to delete the product. And all we have to do is hover over the listing and choose trash. Now it's always very good policy to then go to trash and empty the trash straight away. And that's a wrap. That's all we need to do to add and remove products to the WooCommerce shopping cart.